Okay, very rudimentary setup to test my drag racing code for just a simple heads-up race with no timing. These two buttons here are the starting line sensors. This would be my button for triggering the race, and these are the finish line sensors. So the way this works is each car the front tires hit the sensor for the pre-stage, and then you'd back up so you're just not lighting up the sensor for the pre-stage. Then you're ready to race. The code knows that both cars have touched and then backed up. Then I triggered this to start the race. Then you go yellow, green for go. And then when one of the cars crosses the line, you get your win light. So, also built in is the red light. So if I yellow trigger either of these, for the starting line, before the green light hits, the red light turns on, so you're disqualified. So, proof of concept, the code works for just simple heads-up racing. Need to add timing to it and, some quality of life stuff, like, say, once the race is over, being able to, hit this button and have it reset instead of doing that weird crap. Yeah. That's where I'm at for this, then to build the hardware for the big version that actually works.